Well, President Donald Trump's Make America Healthy Again Commission continues to change food assistance programs throughout the country. Most recently, Arkansas, Idaho, and Utah amended their SNAP programs to exclude soda and candy from being purchased with benefits. Clayton Baumgarth looked into how Indiana is at the forefront of changes to food assistance.
Community Kitchen in Bloomington's goal is to help individuals gain regular access to an adequate diet. The nonprofit does so with 2 buildings and a food truck that travels around the county. These food programs are designed to help anyone get a meal.
A lot of people don't realize we do a lot for kids, particularly in the summer. During the school year, we do a Backpack Buddies program, and we provide meals for kids after school at like the Boys and Girls Club and the Rise and other places in Bloomington.
During the summer, Community Kitchen serves free lunches to at-risk kids who normally get free meals during the school year, but not in the off months.
We have 2 routes that we go on, going to the 10 different neighborhoods. We're at each spot for 20 to 30 minutes, and the kids just come out and hang out with us and eat a nutritious lunch.
This year, Clower says 30% more kids are being served through the program.
Ultimately, I think that for a lot of families that have had their SNAP benefits and other things that have changed or been affected, that we're starting to see, the results of that, which is more families, more kids that are needing our support in the summer.
Those changes to SNAP, or the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, include increasing work requirements to be eligible for the program and removing the ability to purchase soft drinks or candy using benefits. Indiana was the first state to remove sugary drinks and candy from the state's SNAP program. In a tweet on May 23rd, Governor Mike Braun said Indiana is proud to lead the way in the Make America Healthy Again agenda. And when more states did the same thing in early June, Braun was there with Health Secretary Kennedy and Ag Secretary Rollins.
We spend way too much money on trying to fix bad behavior, and when I was able to give an executive order that says we're not spending government money in Indiana on sugary drinks and candy, what could make more common sense?
Braun has also overseen the cancellation of another program. Sunbox used to give parents of those in need $120 a month per child to buy groceries during the summer. The Indiana Family and Social Services Administration missed the original program application deadline. It submitted a waiver in March to participate, but didn't receive a response before the Braun administration intervened.
The Sunbox program was really worked well for urban, suburban, and rural families because it allowed them, instead of having to go to a meal site at a specified time, it allows them the flexibility to make it part of their normal shopping experience, whatever that looks like.
About 660,000 Hoosier children were enrolled in the program last year. Indiana is one of 14 states not participating in the program this year, though it may participate next year.
The Braun administration is saying that they are interested in next summer, but the Braun administration also believes that the Trump administration might do away with the program nationwide. So instead of 36 states participating next year, maybe it wouldn't even be available to those.
Lynch says that because the state wouldn't participate in the $2.8 million Sunbucks program, it may not be willing to pay for the even larger SNAP program. That could come with a $350 million total administrative cost for states if Trump's big, beautiful bill passes as written.
This is something where we're going to have hungry people in Indiana if it passes the way it is.
For the food assistance industry, the potential changes are not only scary by themselves, but they could signal even more changes ahead.
Kind of feel like everything is at risk simply because we don't know what's going to happen or what's next.
For Indiana News Desk, I'm Clayton Baumgarth.
Community Kitchen funds its summer meal program through a combination of USDA assistance and community support.